Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Urvashi, and in today's video I'm gonna take this design system forward and I'm gonna work on typography, and for that I'm gonna use two different fonts, one for heading and another for body text. And here is a thing I want to tell you, which is you should always define font sizes for both of the platforms, which is website and app, because it doesn't matter if you're designing for an app or a website, because sometimes client want to scale their product to the website or an app, so you have to update your design system accordingly, and that will take your lots of time. So for that reason we define all the font sizes for both of the platforms beforehand in our design system. So let's just get started. So I will use the heading font as a Playfair display, which is a serif font. Okay, and for my body text I will use another one. So here I will define a larger font size so that it is visible. Okay, now I will add different letters so that client will know how the font will look, okay, for each letter. So for that I'm gonna add the ABCD. Okay, like this. Now I will assign a different font weight to this, which is regular, and I will add numbers as well so that client will understand how the font will look on the each letter and for each character, like this. Okay, I will add some of the commonly used characters here so that client will understand better. I hope you are getting what I am doing here. If not, you can always reach out to me on LinkedIn or in the comment section. Now what I am going to do is I am going to add different font sizes for different font weights. So follow along with me so that you can understand it better. First of all, I will take regular. So here, as you can see, here are several font weights. Okay, so I am going to use only these three, which is regular, medium and semi-bold. So first of all I will take the regular and assign different font weights, for different font sizes for this particular font weight. Okay, so first of all, regular. I will assign the largest size as 56, so I will keep the heading as 56 only. Then I'm gonna copy this line by holding option key or alt key. Then I am gonna add the heading 1, which is 56. Now heading 2, which I will keep as a 48. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just add the auto layout here so that we don't have to duplicate it again and again, like that. Now I will duplicate this one and add heading 3 with the font size as 42. Now heading 4, font size is 36. Heading 5, font size as a 28. Now heading 6 with the size of 24. Now I will just duplicate these to make the medium one. So here I will add medium and give the font weights to all the heading as medium. You can select all of these texts by holding shift key so that you can select them individually, like this. Okay, so let's just change the font weight to medium. Now I will just duplicate this one once again for the semi-bold. Okay, like this. Now I will just change the font weight as semi-bold, then select these headings individually and change the font weight like this. Now I will add the fonts for the body text. So I will just duplicate this one here and I will add different font for the body text, which is inter tight. It looks good and it looks better than the inter font, so I'm using this. Now I will just change the font for these as well, inter tight. So okay, you can follow along with me. Now what I am going to do is I am going to just duplicate this one only with the line and place it here like this. Now I will assign different font sizes to the subtext. So first one is regular, intertype regular. Now for the subtext one, I'm gonna use the size as 24. Okay, intertype. So it is good to define subtext and body text or heading text for both of the platforms, so that you don't have to rework it whenever client wants to scale their product to the other platforms. So it is good to do that. And I will keep the subtext 2 as 20, then subtext 3 as 16, then subtext 4 as 14. Then I'm gonna use there is one more thing I want to tell you here. So here is the one thing I have missed here. I'm gonna assign one more subtext with a font size of 18. Okay, then 16. Then for 14 I'm gonna add different name, which is button text. We can change it later according to our needs. Then comes the link text with the size of 12. It is recommended not to use font size below 12 because it is not readable then. Okay, so always use smallest size of the font as 12, not less than that. Now I'm going to duplicate these and make next font weight sizes, which is medium, and I'm going to select these individually like that. I'm going to do one thing here. I'm going to increase the size of these headings just for the showcase purposes. Okay, now I'm going to select individual text and change the font weight. Then our typography part is ready. Okay, so with this approach you can create your typography part in your design system. It is a very straightforward approach where client will be able to understand everything at the first glance, and it is very straightforward, that's why. And also you can try your own approach as well, and if I missed something, let me know in the comment section. So if you like this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and also share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos and hit that like button. And I'm gonna continue this particular series, and in my next video I'm gonna create buttons for our design system. So stay tuned and thanks for watching. Bye bye.